Hello everyone, this is Professor Mr. Abhijit Anand Ayvade, lecturer at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. In this video, we are going to study about piezoelectric transducer, its construction, as well as selection criteria of the transducer of the chapter application of the transducer of the subject industrial measurement. So let's start. Well, piezoelectric transducer is the fourth category of the electric transducer. Actually, electric transducer are divided into four parts, such as the resistive transducer, capacitive transducer, inductive transducer, and last one is the piezoelectric transducer. Well, what is the electric transducer? Question is, what is the electric transducer? There is such a device or such a transducer which convert any physical quantity in the electrical form. That means a physical quantity, either pressure, either force, okay, and the output in the form of voltage signal or the current signal. Well, the piezoelectric transducer. Piezoelectric effect can be stated as a crystalline material like crystalline substance or quartz crystal, then an electromotive force, that means EMF or voltage, is generated across these two sides of the terminal. Well, piezoelectric transducer convert pressure into electrical form. That means it converts physical quantity into the electric signal. So this is a electric transducer. So the mechanical deformation generate changes in the appearance. So that's why output voltage across the electrical may be V is equal to Q upon C. Why? What is the Q? Q is equal to charge, C is equal to capacitance, because we know that charge is equal to capacitance into the voltage. Q is equal to C into V. Now let's move towards the actual construction of the piezoelectric transducer. Well, यहाँ पे हमें एक डायग्राम में दो जगह से फोर्स लगाते हुए देखा है, दो जगह से फोर्स क्रिएट किया तो डेफिनेटली इसमें वोल्टेज प्रोड्यूस होता है, इसलिए हमें उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन डिटेल्स भी यहाँ पे देखना है. एज सीन इन दिस डिस्कशन, the piezoelectric element can be used to convert mechanical movement into an electrical signal. That means it converts pressure into the electrical signal. This diagram shows the construction of piezoelectric transducer. Here the main parts are a basement, piezoelectric crystals, upper and lower electrodes, force summing membrane, window, and input pressure. Also, VO is equal to output electrical signal, that is output voltage. At the basement, the electric crystal is plated. Its one metal electrode rests on the base. The second electrode is connected to the form for the force summing membrane with the help of the link. The force coming from the window is collected by this force summing membrane, which is transferred via link to the upper electrode. This force produces vibrations on the piezoelectric transducer. Vibration produces an electromotive force, that is EMF across electrode of the crystal. This output EMF, that means voltage VO, is measured on the calibration scale in the unit of measurement. This EMF, that means VO, is proportional to the magnitude of force or a pressure applied through the window. यहाँ पे आपको ये क्लियरली दिखाई दे रहा है, जितना ज़्यादा ऊपर से प्रेशर अप्लाई किया जाएगा उतना आउटपुट हमें मिलेगा. नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द एडवांटेजेस and disadvantage of piezoelectric transducer. Well, there is too many advantages, such as a compact, small in size transducer है, It has the ability to form into the usual shape. This frequency response, its stability is higher, self-generating type, output is higher, and no other of temperature on vibration on it. But there are some disadvantages, that is unable to static condition. That means it's only suitable for dynamic measurement. Protection from moisture too is needed. Protection from moisture is also needed. Crystals are soluble in water, affected by temperature variations. मतलब इतने हाईली सेंसिटिव है कि टेम्परेचर वेरिएशन को भी ये अफेक्ट करता है. पहले कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ होता है? तो सबसे पहले इट यूज इन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फ्लो मीटर, इन अल्ट्रासोनिक ट्रांसड्यूसर, यूज इन हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी एक्सेलेरोमीटर, यूज इन इंडस्ट्रियल क्लीनिंग apparatus, used for measure surface roughness in the vibration pickups. All these are the application of the piezoelectric transducer. Now the last but important point is selection criteria of the transducer. These are a very important concept. They are energy converting one form of energy into another, that is electrical to mechanical or mechanical to electrical. Hopes. The first one is the selection criteria of transducer. के लिए सबसे पहले क्या देखा जाता है? Its operating range, its operating principle, frequency of response and resonant frequency, that is a flat over desired range, its sensitivity required, its accuracy requirement, allowable errors, just like a small maintain input output relationship, error minimum, loading effect, its static characteristics, its reliability, its stability, environmental capability, its construction, electric aspects, as well as the last one is a general consideration. That means it shall have accessibility for repairing, maintenance, replacement, manufacturing, calibration, resistance to the conversion, low maintenance cost, and the last one is the availability of taskbar for calibration. Thank you so much.